Hey parents and students, I wanted to take the time to make a quick video for you guys to watch just to get you familiar with my digital classroom and what resources are available there. Right now I'm in teacher view, so it looks a little bit different on the student's end, but there's a few things that I want to point out on my homepage. Notice on my homepage you will see that the first announcement that I made was just the Unit 1 calendar. So you'll see that tomorrow they have a quiz. Today in class we didn't have notes, we were just reviewing. And then I also want to point this feature out, and these are announcements. Now, whenever I make an announcement, this announcement should populate as a notification on your student's phone if they have the app. So that's probably the biggest point in this conversation that I want to make. If your child hasn't already downloaded the CTLS Learn app on their phone, I would go ahead and go to the App Store, type in CTLS Learn, download it, log in, and turn on your notifications. You'll also see in the App Store that they have CTLS Parent. That would be a great idea to download CTLS Parent on your phone, parents. That way when I send out reminders or announcements or messages and individual messages, you guys can access that right from your device. So today at some point, both of you guys get those apps downloaded and turn on your notifications. The second thing that I want to show you is the student coursework section. I'm going to click into that, and then I'm also going to turn this into student view so that way you guys can see what it looks like as a student. Okay, now that I'm in student view, you will see where we have our Unit 1 uploaded. I do pass out the calendar, but if students ever lose the calendar or need to reference it, you guys can click it right here. It's the first link. Then if you go through and you click on the different days, you'll see resources uploaded. So I'm going to click into day 2 as an example. I have day 2 notes filled in, day 2 a blank copy of the notes, day 2 homework key, and day 2 blank homework. So if you guys ever lose your homework at home or you're at home sick and you want to work on something, then you guys can click here and you can look at those resources. You can print them or just view them. So today was quiz review day. So if you guys click on today, you will see a blank copy of the quiz review in case you want to reprint this to have your child try it again or if they lost it. And then we also have the key that you can see right here. So as they're working on their quiz review tonight, we started it in class, but as they wrap it up at home, feel free to go ahead and check off their answers with the key. The last thing that I want to talk about in this video are note cards. So I would recommend, if your child doesn't already have a 3-ring pencil pouch, to get them a 3-ring pencil pouch. I just made note cards for this first quiz. I'm going to be uploading these note cards and putting them onto the quiz review resource. Take some time to maybe have your child make some of these note cards at home. Also, you could quiz them with the note cards that I've provided right here. Or if you don't quiz them, maybe just review them and read through the note cards with your child. If they want more practice, click back on an old day and you can always just print out a blank copy of the homework and they could retry those problems and you could check their answers if you wanted to, or they could check their own answers with the key. So again, if they want more rounds of more practice outside of that study guide, they do have old homework assignments that they could work on. And then after they attempt it, you can always check it with the key. I know I said note cards was the last thing, but there's one other thing that I want to grab and show to you. And that is a laminated resource that I gave to all of your students. So this laminated resource has a multiplication chart on it. It has an example of like old school addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then it also has these number lines. So the first unit that we're working in is the number sense unit. So it's learning how to add and subtract and multiply these integers without really a calculator. So understanding what it means to subtract using the number line or what it means to add a value using the number line. So make sure that they bring this with them to class daily. They can use it on quizzes and tests, but I just wanted to share that resource as well. So if you will tonight, big priority items. First thing, download those apps on your phone. Second thing, work on that quiz review. And third thing, organize those resources in your binder. And let's go ahead and start getting some note cards made for the school year. You can use my examples, which again, I'm about to link those examples on the quiz review tab in the next few minutes. Thanks for everything, and reach out through CTLS Parent if you have any questions or concerns.